Canva is a great tool. It's a graphic design tool. You can create your design without having any knowledge on Photoshop and Illustrator. So it's a drag and drop tool. So how would you use Canva? So I'm going to show you on step by step how would you create your own design with Canva. So the first thing you need to do is you need to create an account on Canva. So to create, let me take you to the home page, to the dashboard of Canva. So this is the home page of Canva. So let me show you the features Canva has. So you can create logo, you can create Facebook covers, Facebook post, YouTube channel art, YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, presentation. So you can create the presentation, your presentation, by using the Canva. You can create poster. So any poster you need, you can create it by using Canva. Animated logo, so you can make a animated logo as well. So I will show you everything on step by step how do you create it. Blog banner, you can create a banner as well. Facebook ad. So I am going to show you um, all the features of Canva just by using just by creating a logo. So I'm going to create a logo. So you have to click on logo if you want to create a logo, and if you want to create presentation, then you have to click on the presentation. So these are the templates that we have. So I'm going to if you scroll your mouse down, then you will see so many templates here. These are the free templates. Some of the free, but most of them are free. So let's okay, I will customize this one. We also have the upload option. So if you have the image and if you want to download this, if you want to upload it, if you want to customize it, then you have to click on upload an image or video option, and then you will be able to upload it here from your desktop. And then we have photo options, so you can see choose any photo you'd like. We have the elements option as well. These are the fonts, so you can use any elements you'd like. So I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to add this. So you can also resize. And you can edit the text as well, and you can also add more text. these are all paid, some of them are free. So I'm going to create add this one. I don't need this one. I'm going to add this one. I'm going to change the color because you can change the color as well. I don't need this one. To delete this one. And so I already told you like how to add the text, and then you can add video. You can also change the background color. So you can add any background you like. We have the folder option, so you can use the folder option as well, and we have more options here: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. So we can also animate this design as well. And we have some more options here, like we have effects option, filter option, adjust option. Okay, let's contrast. Okay, so our design is ready, and if you want to download it, so to download this design you have to click on download option, and then you have to choose the format like you want. Yeah, you can choose PNG format, you can choose JPG format, PDF, and a standard print, and zip format, MP4 video format. So I'm going to choose the JPG format, and after selecting this you have to click on download. So your design is ready to use. Let's see how our design is showing. This is our logo design. So my design is not that good actually, because I just created this design just to show you guys. So thank you guys. If you like my video, then give a thumbs up, and obviously give a share if you want your friend to watch it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you.